Hi, Mum.
Dog got these yesterday. Can I try them on you?
I'm just texting in a minute. He likes his handcuffs. He's got these handcuffs.
What's that?
Alright, yeah. The dog's only got a small wrist, hasn't
I couldn't get them on.
Now what?
There you go. That's it.
Oh. Now how am I going to do the toast to make a cup
You're not going
of
to be able
tea?
to. Get them off then. Get the keys out.
Oh, you've got to have keys?
Yeah, they've got keys.
Keys?
They've got keys.
Oh.
Keys?
Are you joking?
Oh,
They're in the car.
no, at home.
You're joking. He's left them on the...
Joking.
We're going to go and find the keys. Unless I go home and get... Shall I go home and get the keys?
What am I going to do all day?
Silly idiot.
Can't you press that in then, Ken?
No.
No. I'll have to phone the police. Go and get them.
Oh, what am I going to do? Good job they're in front and not at the back.
That would have been bad, wouldn't it?
Aye.
Oh, I can't do it.
Shall I go get the keys?
Well, you'll have to. What can I do?
You're a silly idiot, aren't you?
Yeah.
You left them at mine. You haven't lost them at Wimborne Market, have you?
Maybe.
I'm trying to text and you're just...